In this video, I'll be showing you how to take notes on an iPad. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the best thing, in my opinion, to go ahead and take notes is using the split screen method. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down, go to multitasking and gestures, and make sure you're on windowed apps instead of full screen apps. Now, what you can do is you can have apps open side by side. So for example, if you're a student and you're searching something. I'm using Wikipedia as an example. Obviously, don't use Wikipedia for your sources. But what you want to do is, let's say I'm searching through different things and maybe I'm reading through something or maybe watching a video. I want to go ahead and take notes. So I'm going to open up the Notepad application. I can scale it as much as I want by pressing with the little white line that you're going to see on the bottom of whichever application you are using. And now I can use a pencil if I want to go ahead and type anything. Or I could go ahead and open up my keyboard like so, and then I'll just do like notes, just type in anything you want right here, and then just take all the notes that you want as well. So yeah, it's as simple as that. You can literally use a pencil if you have one, or you can type while you're watching something or reading something or anything like that. And obviously you can also use your pencil to scroll through as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.